it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have some friends mail, and one piece of mail is a giveaway that I won, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Before I get started, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So this first piece of mail, guys, is from Elle Make It Craft, and I'm going to link her channel and everyone's channel down below. So I did participate in one of her challenges, and this is very sweet. This is the memory decks from Monica, Elle Make It Crafts. Look how cute this is, guys. It says hello, it has the doily, the butterflies. I love owls. She added this really cute washi. Not sure if it's washi or paper, but I love it. And when you flip it on over, she got the paper with the bicycles, and then she has this rosette, and it's flattened down, and she put a cat. I don't know if she knows that I am in love with cats and have 4, or it's just a coincidence. And then it says it's the little thing. This is the tag that she included with her information, guys. This is her info, and it goes right in between here, right in the middle of both of her pieces of cardstock. So that's really cool. And what I found really interesting is that her birthday is the same birthday as my son, February 7th. Although my son is going to only be turning 12, so I assume there's a difference there, but that is so cool. We learned all these new things about our friends here on YouTube. So that is the memory decks. And then she also gifted me here some beautiful butterfly ephemera. It might be stickers, I'm not positive, but they're so pretty. So thank you so much, Monica. So the next envelope that I've got, this is from Lisa Douglas, and that is her channel name, guys. So definitely you should check her out. She's crafty, she's sweet, she's super generous, and she does do fun challenges, and I'm pretty sure that is what this is about, is saying thank you for participating. And yes, that's exactly what it is. And she sent me, you guys, this really cute altered mini notebook, like a mini composition book. How cute. And you can use it this way, or if you want the image she included, it looks like a sort of a chipmunk. She put the bling. It is adorable. This is perfect for my purse, and it's just a little composition mini book. So thank you so much, Lisa. I completely appreciate this present. Now this piece of mail, guys, this is from a giveaway that I won. I don't remember what I won. There's so many giveaways going on. It is like impossible to keep track, and that's what makes it all the more exciting when you get the mail. This is from K&E Crafty Shop. Her name is Elvia, and she wrote congratulations, and she has packaged this up so cute in some pink tissue paper with some really cute washi, and there is her congratulations. You get 7 stamps, and this is what it looks like, and then this is the embossing folder, and it's a bunch of different sized watermelons. So super cute. Thank you so much, Elvia. And the last envelope that I wanted to share, this is from Crystal, Cruising with Crystal, guys. She is amazing. She is somebody that inspired me to start up my own YouTube channel. I watched her from the very beginning, before I even started my channel. So this is a thank you from Cruising with Crystal, and it's really from her mom. Her Mama Dukes, she did a challenge for her, and that's basically what that note said, and she created me, her mom, not Crystal, it's from her mom, this gorgeous beach memory decks, and I think it's adorable. I love the beach. It is my favorite place to be. And then on the back, she has her info, and if you guys don't know her name, I guess that's her name, Mildred Cabin, and she does have an Instagram, and that is it right here, Needle on Point. So go check out her Instagram, guys, and definitely stop by Cruising with Crystal, her YouTube channel, and her Instagram. Alright guys, that is it for today. Just a short video. I wanted to share my happy mail with you guys. Give this video a like. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye!